Cheers, mate.
Hey, cheers, buddy. Have a good one. Okay, let's see how this arm feels. Oh my god, I miss riding. It's been a few weeks now, and well, I'm feeling a little bit sexual. When I rode that 150, it just made me want to scream around everywhere. It was so fun. Which I thought, I don't know if it's true, but I thought if I get a 150, maybe that'll teach me to ride a bit more aggressive, because, you know, I always get comments of hatred against me for being a pussy. Oh, the front end nearly washed out then. I need to be careful. I do not want to land on this arm. But think positive thoughts, because the more you think about you don't want to crash, you'll end up crashing. So we're gonna have a great day, no crashes, okay? God, even Africa didn't have this much dust. Alright, this is the first lap. I don't really know what's going on, where the track goes, but it goes this way. I've ridden it once before, but they always do new track layouts, so it's always a different way. Let's just hope we go the right way and no one comes towards us. Oh, this is so nice. Like, my K-Tech suspension is obviously better than the stock. That's the wrong way. My K-Tech suspension is better than the stock 24 KTMs, but boy are they close. It's the best upgrade ever on those new bikes. The new suspension to come stock, oh my god, they're a dream. It's very bumpy. GoPro's probably not showing it. Oh, doubles. I'll do singles. Wow, I remember this place. Very, very rutty. Oh, I miss my bike. Miss my bike. Well, I miss Enduro more than anything, but damn, I miss this bike. I do think, me personally, I do think, oh, these are slick. I do think a 150 would be so fun on these events, just to send it everywhere. And starting to realise that tints was a bad idea. I can't see nothing. Darkness. Thinking I need a new front tyre. Probably the wrong time to think it. Oh, it is slippery. There we go, we are riding in Wales. What isn't slippery? It wouldn't be Wales without a little bit of mud. Oh. What's annoying as well. Oh, that nearly went. That was annoying also. Yeah, what's annoying as well is that in Africa, after my crash, I broke the peak on my helmet, which is a very expensive helmet. Thank you to Bell. But the peak, I had to super glue last night because I spoke to Bell, needing a new peak. Whoa. And they're out of stock. So now I've got a nicely super glued helmet which I must say I should start a career in super gluing. It's a very fine job. I've also, that was the cameraman there, I've also got full camo gear on today, new unit kit, check it out, link in description. Okay, hit my arm again. Oh, I hit the arm, you idiot. Ow! On my thumb, Jesus. Okay, take a minute. That was silly. Oh my god, that was fast. Anyway, did I rip my kit? No, good kit, link in description. Oh, my thumb is fucked. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm in full camo, so the camera guy probably didn't spot me. If he did, he's probably a great cameraman. How did you do? That's so slippery. Okay, there's me riding Africa thinking, hey, you're doing great. But no, I'm an amateur. And these tints don't help. This is what I can see. Very dark. Oh, I've hit my elbow. Oh no. Okay, let's just carry on. Then we'll go back to the van and see how much damage we've done. Please leave a comment and feel sorry for me. God, that was fast. I'm like, that's my thing now, is crashing. I tell you, when you crash on the road, I've never done it before because I don't really ride much road. It kind of scares you. It's very scary. Oh yeah, the elbow's hurting a bit. I hate being injured because I want to ride. I'm never injured. Definitely need a new front tyre though, because that kind of proved it. It's not my riding, I swear. Where are we going now? Oh, this way. Just got to be a little bit more careful. Like I said, you know, KTM flying me around the world. I start to act a bit like a professional. Soon get humbled though. Soon get humbled. Oh, that was a wheelie. Ooh, boom! Ah, see, I can't do anything. Ah, there's literally a fly on my helmet, and it's exactly where there was a fly on my helmet before. I think we these are solid. I think we join onto a motocross track in a minute. And obviously you've seen me at the motos, throwing whips and everything. But I'll take it easy today, I don't really want to show anyone up. Wow, this front end just wants to disappear. What's going on here then? I've learned that from watching YouTube videos. Stand up, and then when you're coming into a berm, sit down. See, that's better. Yeah, I wasn't going to triple that because Like I said, it's just, you're just showing everyone else up, and it's a bit harsh. Look at these whoops. I call them whoops because it's usually a big whoopsie daisy in the middle of them. Okay, the arm stopped hurting a little bit. But you know, like when it's cold, well, not cold, but yeah, kind of a cold feeling where you're like, oh, that could be blood. Yeah, that's kind of what I got. But it's a deep wound, and the doctor told me to be careful, which obviously I was, but I don't think they've seen my riding before. They were like, oh, what do you do? I was like, oh, you know, I do YouTube and that. Oh yeah, what's your channel? Nah, you don't want to watch that, because then you'll see that you probably want to wrap me in metal casing, so I'll never get injured. I still feel like a 150 would be fun. They would teach me to take corners better, because you have to keep the RPMs up on them. Still though, as bumpy as it is, I still don't get arm pump since having the suspension done, so that's a good thing. But I will say, as powerful as my 300 is, because I've had the TSB kit and I've relocated the injectors, very powerful. I still feel like the new 2024s has way more of a kick. So if you want the new 300, I will warn you, it's a bit of a handful. Scream, baby, scream! Don't hear that too often on this channel, right? Yeah. Oh. When I came here before, this was so wet. Now the ruts have solidified. Ooh, trees. Darkness. This usually doesn't end well. This is where it's slick, so keep your wits about you. Oh, it's slick. Plus, I did crash trying to link a description, or link a link in the description. So let's maybe, I'm just not good at advertising, that's all it is. Just stop doing it. So bumpy. And it's crazy as well, because I'm full camouflage. No one can see me, so it's quite dangerous. I'm a health risk. Oh, brakes, brakes, brakes. Good brakes. Ooh. Yeah, I can't see anything. I can't see anything. I feel like I've been here. Oh no, it's different. Ooh, sand. Oh, yeah, that's a kicker. I wish I was more aggressive, but as you saw earlier, there's a reason why I'm not. Oh no, I've definitely been this way. I let this kid go past. Sounds so good, right? Oh my god, I need to go and check on this arm. Pray for me.